I'm carrying two packs with me, Waistpack and the backpack. Waistpack, I know, is not the most fashionable item, but it's necessary for me. I keep my GoPro here. Whenever I want to film something, then I don't want to take my backpack off. I need to grab my camera quickly. Contains my phone. Usually it also contains my camera, but right now camera is recording me. My microphone, which is also used. Extra batteries for my camera. Light for camera. Cloth to clean the lens. And here are some extra SD cards, memory cards. Now the backpack. 3mm thick EVA foam. This one I use under my air mattress. It protects it from punctures, and I also use it as a sit pad. Here is water. In the front mesh pocket is all the small stuff that I may need during the day. But first let's see what is in my backpack. My jacket, waterproof, windproof. Here are my Crocs. I use them when I'm camping. My feet can have a rest, and also when I need to ford rivers, then it's good. They are not afraid of water. Trekking poles. They are definitely very useful in mountainous terrain, and I also use them to set up my tarp. My extra clothing in a dry bag. Here is pillow. Not necessary, I know, but I think it's good to have some support for your neck. Buff. Merino wool beanie. Very lightweight. Merino wool gloves. They are useful higher in the mountains when it's cold. Right now I don't need them. I always have at least one pair of dry socks. This one is fleece. Extra pair of underwear and long johns. And that's all. That's all my clothing. What remains is what I am wearing right now. This is a long sleeve sun protection shirt, hat, shorts, and I am wearing Skechers shoes with Dirty Girl gaiters. These gaiters are really useful. I have no problem with rocks going into my shoes. Now what else we have here? It's my air mattress, C2 Summit Etherlight XT, very good. It's a tarp, 10 by 10 feet or 3 by 3 meters, has lots of attachment points. You can set it up in many different ways. Groundsheet, it goes under this EVA foam, and on top of everything is my air mattress. And now comes sleeping bag. It's a down bag, -12. It's usually more than adequate here, even warm, but if it gets cold in minus temperatures, then you are glad that you have a good sleeping bag. And this is it. That's all I have in my bag. Now, this bag contains almost every small item, and I keep it in the front mesh pocket of my backpack, so it's easily accessible throughout the day. Now there is a case for glasses and sunglasses too, but I rarely use them. when I really need to. Titanium mug with a lid. When I'm cooking, I use that one. It's 650 milliliters. It's a towel, small and lightweight. Extra electronics here. Charger for my GoPro batteries. It's a wall charger and a USB cable. Battery bank, 10 amp hours or 10,000 milliamp hours, like most people like to say for some reason. And there is the headlamp, Nightcore NU25. This is my wallet. It contains bank cards, some cash, compass also, and a face mask too. Here in Spain you still have to wear face mask in public transport. This is my cordage bag. It has 6 stakes for my tarp and various length and purpose cords here. Some nylon, some polyester with Dyneema core, and some for classic knots. This is a water bladder which contains water which needs to be filtered. It's my water filter, Versaflow, works well. Poop kit, paper and trowel. Trowel is strictly speaking not necessary, but I think you should use it, and I always use it. Paper maps, in my opinion, are not very practical. Good to have them, but let's be honest, usually you're using either your smartphone or a smartwatch or something like that. They really need to be very large scale in order to be practical, but then you need lots of them. This is expensive and bulky. And now I only have one bag left, which contains various bits and pieces. This one is a wilderness wash. It's good for doing laundry, washing your hair, body, hands, and washing dishes. Sunscreen, lip balm, big lighter, Gorilla tape, knife, spork, small burner for a gas canister, toothbrush. Instead of toothpaste, I use these tablets, chafing cream, some salt. Even if you are not cooking, salt is still good to have. I'm sweating a lot, so maybe need it. If my lighter fails, I have some matches here. Only one bag left. Let's see what I have here. This is my first aid and repair kit, painkillers, wound disinfectants, leukotape if I have a blister or something. I rarely have them. I have very good socks, by darn tough, so no blister problem. Repair kit for my air mattress, air plugs. If I stay at the hostel, for example, then someone is always snoring there. Tenacious tape, one band-aid, water purification tablets. I prefer not to use them. I filter my water whenever possible. But they're here, just in case. This was my gear, everything I carry with me while hiking here in the Canaries. Thanks for watching. See you soon.